Hello everyone, my name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how to make a recipe that is very near and dear to my heart, and that is Guava Pastries, or Pastelitos de Guayaba, how we say it in Spanish. So this recipe, it is so special to me because I grew up eating it. It is a staple in every Cuban household, you could say, and you can find them here in Miami, like everywhere. All the bakeries have them, but I love making my homemade version because it is so simple, and I pretty much used help from the store, so I don't really did anything, but it is way better than the ones you buy at the bakeries, just saying. And I mean, that's my opinion at least. I'm just gonna show you what you're gonna need and we're gonna get started. You're gonna need some flour, and this is just for, to dust the pastry sheet. You're going to need water, an egg, and I put this right here, and the star of the show, you're going to need guava paste. Make sure it is guava paste and not guava marmalade or anything like that. It has to be guava paste. Last but not least, you are going to need pastry sheets. So this is what they look like. They're very easy to work with. If you know how to make your own, you can do it. But pastry sheets are very complicated to make, so I'm not gonna get into that. First thing we're gonna do is we are going to, it's very sticky, so just so you guys know, we are going to be cutting our guava paste into sections. I would say this is about 1 inch. As you can see, I cut, and I'm gonna cut them in half. You should put your oven to preheat at 400 degrees. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working the pastry. And I'm just gonna flour my surface. It's gonna make it much easier to work with. You're also going to need baking sheets. And this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get pastry sheet. Oh, and another thing before I do forget, you need to let this thaw out. Since they come frozen, you need to let them thaw out completely. Well, not completely, because you won't be able to work with them, but for at least 40 minutes. And I'm just gonna flour this because they can get a little hard to work with. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna follow the lines that the sheets have. I'm gonna cut them in 3 pieces. And now I'm gonna cut them in 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna cut them this way. And it's okay if you don't have perfect squares. That's the magic of making homemade. Okay. So that looks perfect. I got 12 pieces here, and you can by all means do more or less. Sometimes I like to do about 9 if I want them a little bigger, or I'll just do, even smaller if that's what you like. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get another piece. This is what you want. You want something to look like this, and we're gonna make 2 little cuts right in the center. You're gonna place them on your baking sheet, and we're gonna continue with the others. If you think 2 pieces is too much, or if you want to cut them smaller, by all means, go ahead. There we go. Perfect. So you're pretty much going to do this to all of your little squares. And you're going to do the same thing to the other sheet. Last one. You don't want these, you want to work pretty fast because you definitely don't want them to dry out. That's the worst thing. Okay, so for your egg wash, you're going to need 1 egg, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And this is what you're gonna end up with. Okay, so now once you have your pastelitos in your baking pan, you're gonna get a little bit of an egg wash. And you're gonna brush it all over. Okay, just like that. And you're gonna pop this in the oven for about, we say 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. Mine takes about, I believe, like 16 minutes, 16 to 17 minutes, and they are beautifully golden brown and just ready to be eaten. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'll show you what they look like once they're done. Okay, you guys, these were in the oven for exactly 18 minutes and they are looking golden brown and delicious. Look at the color on these. They look fantastic. I got no words. I haven't had them in a while, so I'm really excited to dig into them. They are hot, so they will probably burn my face off. Let's hope they don't. Can you just look at this? Look at the color. They are so crunchy and just buttery and delicious. And I cut mine, I cut one in half, and I want you guys to look how good these are. Look at that guava inside. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna dig into it because, oh my goodness, I'm scared. These are so good. Oh my God. They really are. They are delicious. I hope all of you like this recipe. They are so good. On your next grocery run, make sure you grab some pastry sheets, guava paste, and that is all you're going to need to make these crazy delicious pastries. And I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe if you did. And I would love if you would leave some recommendations on the comments down below on what you want me to make next. I love exploring foods from different countries and different parts of the world. So I hope you guys like this, and see you next time. Bye-bye.